Nemo, Bandit, this your session, ho.
Nemo the bandage session.
Yo, it is though. Yo, this is crazy.
Yeah. Well, actually, it's the money card.
These niggas, bro.
It's the money card.
Hey, yes, sir.
Get it.
Fight.
That's all it takes. Hip, fucking hooray, the boys take a drink dip. Ladies looking snacky, so I had a sip dip. Psst, all wet, so I had a sink dip. I'm from a small town, so I gotta think big. So fuck the city girls, I should pay no mind to that. And I should cut a couple people and ribbon snap. Tables turn, preachers burn, homie, no cap. I'd rather see my cross, plus the flow, it has the fresh. Started from the bottom, think I'm still there. How the boy nice, you know, can't fit. I level up on something hard, think it's fair. Maximum effort till I get there. Maximum effort and
Yes, sir.
Yo, you want to think you been hit, nigga? Oh, yeah, alright, then.
Oh my god.
dog. It's deeper than the music comes to figure bank dog.
This is Mark Sims, aka Smash Your Bitch, aka Smash Your Daughter, aka Duck Your Hoe, aka Make on the shorty with
What are those? What is that?
This is the legendary Nokia.
Nigga, your grandfather used to hit up hoes with this phone, and you know it.
How you think
Homie
we
still
did,
got
nigga?
it.
This the phone that